Hi, hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 10 mathematics. Today I am here to discuss with you another model question paper. This question paper is from DDPI office of Kolar. This question paper is also M.c.q pattern. There will be 40 questions. Each question carries 1 mark, total 40 marks. Duration 1 hour. First main, 4 alternatives are given for each of the following incomplete statements or question. Choose the most appropriate alternative and shade the correct choice in the OMR given to you with blue or black ballpoint pen. Okay, let's begin with the first problem. If A1, A2, A3, A4, so on are in arithmetic progression. A1, A2, A3, A4, so on are in arithmetic progression. Then the common difference is represented by the letter small d. We calculate common difference by the difference of the term and its preceding term. That is A2 minus A1 you can say, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. Anything is right. So let us see in our option A2 minus A1. So your first answer is the right answer. Option A, A2 minus A1. Second one, if the nth term of an arithmetic progression is, nth term means an is equal to 3n plus 2. Then its fifth term. Fifth term means A5. Substitute 5 in the place of n. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Therefore, fifth term is equal to 17. See the right option here, option C, 17. Third one, in the series 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus so on plus 43, if A20 is equal to 43, then find S20. Observe the given series. Sum of the sequence is called as the series, right? So here they have given A20. There are 20 terms. A20 means it is the last term, right? We need to find sum of 20 terms. S20 we need to calculate. If you know first and the last term, there is a formula. That is Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Okay. Same formula substitute here. N value is 20. 20 by 2 into A. This is A value 5. An is nothing but L. And this is 43. Okay. S20 is equal to 20 by 2, 10. 10 into 43 plus 5, 48. 48 into 10, 480. Therefore, sum of 20 terms is equal to 480. See the answer? Option D. Option D, 480 is the right answer. Okay. Fourth one. 25th term of the arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13, 18 so on is 25th term. Okay, what is the arithmetic progression given? 3, 8, 13, 18 so on. We need to find 25th term means 825. Observe the arithmetic progression and find A and D first. First term is A. D, common difference, A2 minus A1. That is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. A25. You can write formula or directly you can go for general form. A25 can be written as A plus 24D. A value is 3 and D value is 5. 3 plus 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 will be 12. 120 plus 3, 123. 25th term value is 123. Check for the answer. It is option B. Option B, 123. Fifth one. Sum of the first 30 odd natural numbers is. Sum of first 30 odd natural numbers. Sum of odd natural numbers, there is a simple formula. That is Sn is equal to n square. We need sum of 30 odd natural numbers. N value is 30. Okay. Substitute in n place. 30 whole square. 30 is 900. Sum of 30 odd natural numbers is, we use a formula Sn is equal to n square, that is 30 whole square is equal to 900. Check for the option. Option D, 900. Sixth one, in the figure, secant of the circle with center O is. Observe the figure. Secant of the circle. What is a secant? Secant is a line which passes through the circle touching at 2 points. Observe here. What is xy? Xy is a chord. OP is a radius. AB is a tangent. Tangent touches at only one point of the circumference of a circle. Okay. Now, what is MN? MN is a line which passes through the circle. Touching at 2 points. What is the secant now? MN. Search for the option. Option C. MN. Seventh one. From an external point, two tangents are drawn to a given circle. Let us take a circle. This is external point. Two tangents we have drawn. If length of one of them is 8 centimeters, then what is the length of the other? We know that tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. If this is 8 centimeter, then this will be 8 centimeter. Check for the answer. Option C, 8 centimeter. Eighth one. In a given circle, the angle between the tangents and the radius at the point of contact is. Circle, tangent. In a given circle, the angle between the tangent at the radius at the point of contact is. See, what is this angle is your question. Let me read again. In a given circle, the angle between the tangent and the radius at the point of contact is. Point of contact, tangent, radius. What will be this angle? That angle will be always perpendicular. By theorem, we can say that tangent drawn from an external point to the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Check for the answer. Option B. Option B, 90 degree. Ninth one, in two similar triangles. Observe here, two triangles. Let us imagine these two are similar. If the ratio of the corresponding sides is 3:4, any sides, corresponding sides, this, or this, the corresponding side ratio, how much given? 3:4. Then the area of these triangles are in the ratio. What is the ratio of their areas? We remember by a theorem that area of first triangle, let me take triangle ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, you imagine. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. What do you remember? the ratio of their areas is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So just to do square and say the answer, 3 by 4 whole square can be written as 3 square by 4 square. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. 9 is to 16 is your answer. Check for the answer. It is option C. Option C, 9 is to 16. 10th one, in a right angled triangle, if lengths of the perpendicular sides are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Let me take a right angled triangle, perpendicular. Suppose A, B, C. AB is perpendicular to BC. The perpendicular sides, what are those? AB and BC are perpendicular sides. Perpendicular sides given as 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Then the length of hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, right? Apply Pythagoras formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. That is, AC square is equal to 4 square 16, 3 square 9, 16 plus 9 25. AC is equal to square root of 25, that is 5 centimeters. What is the hypotenuse? 5 centimeters. Check for the answer. It is option A, 5 centimeters. Okay. 11th one. In the figure, to state triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, the similarity criterion used is, observe here, two triangles given. What is the similarity criterion you use to prove the two triangles similar? Observe carefully, 60 degree, 80 degree. Then what will be the third angle? 60 plus 80, 140. 180 minus 140. Then this angle will be 40 degree. Then here also find the missing angle. 80 plus 40, 120. 180 minus 120, it will be 60. Okay, now observe here. 80, 80. Corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal. 40, 40. 60, 60. Therefore, by which similarity criteria? Angle, angle, angle. That is A similarity criteria. I can say that these two triangles are similar. See the answer? Option A. Okay. 12th one. In the figure, you can see the figure. DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. Then AD by DB is equal to. What do you remember now? Basic proportionality theorem. If this line is parallel to this line, what you can say? The other two sides of a triangle ratios are in proportion. That means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Check for the answer. AD by DB already given in question. AE by EC. Option D. AE by EC. Okay. 13th one. In the figure, if QR is equal to 24 meters. QR is equal to 24 meters. NR, from here to here it is 4 meters. Okay. MN is equal to 6 meters. Then find the length of PQ. Observe here, right angle, common angle. Then what you can say, the remaining angles are equal. Therefore, the two triangles are similar. If they are similar, we can equate their ratio. So, how we are going to compare this ratio? See here, small triangle side by big triangle side. Small triangle side by big triangle side. That is, NR by QR is equal to MN by PQ. Okay. NR value is 4, QR 24, MN 6, PQ. 4 6 are 24. Now this 6 send here, PQ send bring here. PQ is equal to 6 6 are 36. Directly you can see 4 6 are 24. Then 6 6 are 36. Directly also you can say, or in this way you can equate the ratio and you can find the side. Therefore, PQ is equal to 36 meters. See the option? Your option is option B, 36 meters. 14th one, if two lines representing the pair of linear equations intersect each other. Like this they intersect, right? Two lines intersect each other, then the pair of equations is. We have four options. Let us see the options. Option A, dependent consistent pair. No, it's not dependent. When we call it as a dependent, when the linear equations are coincident, we say them as dependent and consistent. B, inconsistent. No, it has a solution. I cannot say it as a inconsistent. C, consistent pair. Yes, this is the right answer. D, having no solution. No, it has a solution. It has one solution or unique solution. So, I go with the answer C. C option, consistent pair. Okay. 15th one. The lines representing the pair of equations. What are the equations? 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. What are the lines representing these pair of equations? Let us compare the ratios of the coefficients. That is 2 by 4, 3 by 6, minus 9 by minus 18. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 9 2s are 18, minus minus cancel. So all the three ratios are equal to 1 by 2. Yes, if all the three ratios equal, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Then what about the pair of lines? The lines will be coincident. Check for the answer. It is your option D. Option D, coinciding lines. 16th one, in the adjoining graph, the solution to the pair of equations representing the lines. You can see the graph over there, right? Observe the graph carefully. There are two lines and the two lines are intersecting. What is their solution? The lines where they intersect, that coordinate is nothing but the solution. Observe this graph. The two lines are intersecting at this point. How to identify this coordinate? See, draw a perpendicular dotted line. What is the value on x-axis? It is 1, comma, on y-axis 2. Therefore, the solution is 1, 2. Check for the answer. Option A. Option A, 1, 2 is your answer. Okay, we need to find the solution. Solution is 1, 2. 17th one, solution for the pair of equations x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1 is, we need to find the solution. That means x value and y value. Observe the two equations. See here, plus y minus y. Directly you can add the two equations, no need of changing any sign. Plus y minus y gets cancelled. X plus x will be 2x. 5 plus 1, 6. X is equal to 6 by 2, that is x is equal to 3. This x value substitute in any one of the equation. Let me go with first one. X plus y is equal to 5. Substitute x value 3. 3 plus y is equal to 5. Send this 3 other side. Y is equal to 5 minus 3, y is equal to 2. Therefore, the solutions are x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Check for the answer. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Option C. Option C, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. 18th one. While constructing a pair of tangents to a given circle such that the angle between the tangents to be 60 degree, then the measure of angle between the radii to be taken is when you are constructing the tangents to a circle, the angle between the tangents is 60 degrees. Directly we cannot construct the tangents, right? First we need to take the radius and the angle between the radius. That means, okay, what is this angle is your question. What is the measure of angle between the radii is your question. This question we can answer directly. That is, the central angle and the tangential angle sum will be 180 degrees. Why? Tangents perpendicular to the radius of a circle through the point of contact. 90, 90, 180. Then we know that angle between the radius and tangents angle sum will be 180 degrees. That means we have 60 here. 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 degree, it will be 120 degree. Therefore, the measure of angle between the radii is 120 degree. Check for the answer. Option D, 120 degree. 19th one. In the figure, triangle A dash B C dash is constructed similar to the triangle ABC with the scale factor. We need to find the scale factor here. A dash B C dash. A dash B C dash is a new triangle constructed in which scale factor? Okay, observe carefully. The original triangle is ABC and the new triangle is inside. Okay, I have given you a trick while explaining this chapter. If you remember, if the triangle is inside the original triangle, it will be proper fraction. The scale factor will be proper. What you need to observe here? Observe the point B4 it is. Which point it is? B4. B4 means numerator will be 4. And original triangle, observe this point, that is 5. What is the scale factor? 4:5. Very simple to observe. See the new triangle, if it is inside, you remember proper fraction. Suppose if the new triangle is outside the original triangle, it is improper fraction. Suppose imagine here C and C dash, then what is the scale factor? Directly you can observe this point first and then this point. That is 5/4 is a scale factor. Are you able to understand? But now your question, new triangle is inside the triangle. Then observe this one for the numerator and observe this one for the denominator. That is 4:5. See, this is very simple. Try to observe the figure carefully and understand it. Right? So what is your option here? Option A, 4/5. 20. If the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are real and equal, then you have 4 options. In that you can say discriminant. If the roots are real and equal, what about discriminant? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. If roots are real and equal, then the discriminant value will be equal to 0. Therefore, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Check for the answer. It is your option C. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. 21st one. Quadratic equation among the following is. You have 4 options. Among these four options, which is a quadratic equation, we need to identify. Observe here, x square will be cancelled. It is not a quadratic equation. And here, I think this is a quadratic equation where b value is 0. Now let's move to third one. X square will be cancelled. It is not a quadratic equation. Coming to last option, x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to, let us simplify this one. X minus 2 whole square can be written as x square minus 4x plus 4. Again x square will be cancelled, then it becomes a linear. Therefore, among these four options, which is a quadratic equation? Second one. That is option B. Option B, x square minus 3 equal to 0. 22nd one, roots of the quadratic equation, x square plus 10x plus 25 is equal to 0 is or are. Okay, what are the roots? Let us factorize this equation. 1 into 25, 25. Find the factors in order to get middle term, that is 10. 5 5s are 25. And you should get here plus 10. Plus 5 will be plus 10. And you multiply these two, you get plus 25. X square plus 5x plus 5x plus 25 equal to 0. Among these two, x is common, x plus 5. And among these two, 5 is common, x plus 5 equal to 0. X plus 5 into x plus 5 equal to 0. X plus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to minus 5. So both we got negative answer. Check for the option. Minus 5, minus 5. We got two roots, same answer, that is minus 5. So see the options. Option A, minus 5 is your answer. If they give you minus 5 comma minus 5, that is also right. Minus 5 and minus 5, that is also right. Okay, but here only plus 5, no. Plus 5 minus 5, no. 0, no. Okay. 23rd, the formula used to find the roots of the equation. What is the equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. What is this equation? It is a quadratic equation. That is, what is the formula using this quadratic equation? We remember a formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is a quadratic equation. In order to find the roots in quadratic equation, we know the formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Check for the option. Option B. It is your option B. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. 24th one, the distance to a point p x comma y from the origin is. Immediately we remember a formula, the distance between the origin to a coordinate, that is d is equal to square root of x square plus y square. There is a little confusion here. You go with option A. Why? X plus y whole square you mark it there. Don't do that. The formula is square root of x square plus y square. Check for the answer. Option D. Square root of x square plus y square. 25th one. Coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining points. Midpoint of the line joining points. See, A 2, 3, B minus 4, 1. What is the midpoint coordinates is your question. So, midpoint formula, P of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 y1 x2 y2. Directly also you can say 2 plus of minus 4 is 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 will be minus 1. And coming to y coordinate, 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 2 will be 2. Directly you can say, or with formula you want to find, you can find in this manner. That is x1 y1 x2 y2. 2 plus of minus 4 by 2 comma 3 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus into minus, minus 2 minus 4 by 2 comma 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4 and this will be minus 2 by 2 comma 2. 2 ones, that is minus 1 comma 2 is your answer. Check for the option minus 1 comma 2. Option C, minus 1 comma 2 is your answer. 26th one, area of the triangle with vertices P 0,6, Q 0,2 and R 2,0. We need to find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle formula is area of the triangle is equal to half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. For the coordinate, write x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Half into, substitute the values, 0 into 2 minus 0 plus 0 into 0 minus 6 plus x3 value is 2, 2 into 6 minus 2. Half of 0 into anything, 0 plus 0 plus 2 into 6 minus 2, 4. Then this will be half of 2 fours are 8. Cancel, 2 fours are 8. Therefore, area of the triangle is equal to 4 square units. Right? Check for the option. Your option is option E, 4 square units. 27th one, distance between the points A 2, 4 and B 6, 1 is A 2, 4 and B 6, 1. We need to find the distance between these two points. If we need to find the distance between these two coordinates, we remember a formula. That is D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Mark this x1, y1, x2, y2 and substitute in this. X2 value is 6 minus x1 value 2 whole square plus y2 value is 1 minus y1 value is 4 whole square. Square root of 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 whole square plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square. Square root of 4 fours are 16. Minus 3 into minus 3 will be plus 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. Square root of 25 value is 5. Therefore, your answer is 5 units. That is your option B, 5 units. 28th one, in the figure, value of tan A is, you can see a right angle triangle and this is right angle. Tan A means, yeah, theta angle is here. Tan A, what is the tan A ratio? Opposite by adjacent. For this angle, opposite is this one and this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent. That is 4 by 3. Check for the answer. Option C, 4 by 3 is your answer. 29th. If 2 sin theta is equal to 1, then the value of angle theta is 2 sin theta. 2 is a multiple, send other side, divide, sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Then you remember in ratio table where you get 1 by 2 in sine row. Where you get? That is sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Therefore, the value of theta is 30 degree. See the option? Option D, 30 degree. 30th one, value of cosecant 30 degree minus secant 60 degrees is. Change any one. I'll change this one. Cosecant 30 degree can be written as secant 60 degree. Secant 60 degree minus secant 60 degree, it will be 0. Okay, so check for the option. It is your option B. Option B, 0. Okay, 31st one. 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to. We remember by trigonometric identities, 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A and 1 plus cot square A is cosecant square A. Check for this option. Do you have? No. Then we need to simplify this one. Secant square A can be written as 1 by cos square A. Cosecant square A can be written as 1 by sin square A. Rewrite this 1 by cos square A into. Bring this to numerator. That is, do the reciprocal. Sin square A by 1. Multiply. Sin square A by cos square A is nothing but tan square A. Sin A by cos A is tan A. Then square means tan square A. Check for the answer. Option D. Option D, tan square A. 32nd one. Tip of a tower is observed from a point 30 meter away from its base on the ground. Okay, let us imagine a tower. This is tower tip. Okay, this tip is observed from a point 30 meters away from its base on the ground. Okay, if angle of elevation is 45 degree, then what is the height of the tower? Very simple. If you have trigonometric ratio 45 degree, if you know one side, the other side is also equal. So what do you know? This distance is 30 meters. Then height of the tower is also 30 meters. Or you can apply the ratio tan 45 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite you don't know. Adjacent is 30. That is tan 45 degree is equal to AB is a tower. Opposite AB by adjacent BC. Tan 45 value is 1. AB by BC value is 30. Cross multiply. AB is equal to 30 meters. Check for the answer. Your answer is option A, 30 meters. 33rd one. Volume of a cube of h 3 centimeter is. Let us imagine a cube. Okay. This is a cube. Edge. What is edge length? 3 centimeter. In cube, all sides are equal. Then volume of a cube formula. Volume is equal to L cube. L is nothing but the edge. We know this is 3. 3 cube. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27 centimeter cube is your answer. Check for the answer. Option B, 27 centimeter cube. 34th one. A cylinder and a cone are of same height. A cylinder and a cone are of same height. Same height. Okay? And same radii of their bases. Radius also same radius. Okay? If the volume of the cylinder is 924 centimeter cube. Volume of cylinder is equal to 924 centimeter cube. Then the volume of the cone is, we need to find volume of a cone. We know the relation between volume of a cylinder and a cone. Volume of a cylinder is 3 times volume of a cone. Whereas if we need volume of a cone if you need, it is 1/3 the volume of cylinder. We know cylinder volume, that is 924 by 3. 3 3s are 9, 0, 3 8s are 24, 308 centimeter cube is the volume of a cone. Check for the answer. Option B, 308 centimeter cube. 35th one. If the slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 centimeters, L is equal to 4 centimeters and radii of its two circular ends are 5 centimeter and 2 centimeters. Capital R 5 centimeters, small r 2 centimeters. Then its curved surface area is, what is the formula? CSA of frustum of a cone is equal to pi L into R plus R. Pi 22 by 7 into slant height is 4. R, capital R 5, small r 2. If you add 22 by 7 into 4 into 5 plus 2 will be 7. 7 cancel. 22 fours are 88 centimeter square. Curved surface area of a frustum of a cone is 88 centimeter square. Check for the option. Option A, 88 centimeter square. 36th one. Surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeters. R is equal to 7 centimeters. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 into pi value is 22 by 7 and r value is 7 into 7. 1 7 and denominator 7 will be cancelled and this will be 4 into 22, it will be 88. 88 7s are 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56 plus 5, it will be 61. 616 centimeter square. Check for the answer. Option C, 616 centimeter square. 37th one. A container is made by surmounting a cylinder of height h centimeter on the base of a hemisphere as shown in the figure. Observe the figure. A cylinder is surmounted on a hemisphere. You can see here, this is hemisphere and this is cylinder. Cylinder is surmounted on a hemisphere. Cylinder height h and radius r. Centimeters. If radii of bases of both the cylinder and hemisphere are r centimeters. Both cylinder and hemisphere radius is same. R centimeter, then the curved surface area of the container is, we need to find CSA of a container. Write the formula. CSA of a container means container is made up of cylinder and hemisphere. Therefore, CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of a cylinder 2 pi RH plus CSA of a hemisphere, chord surface area of hemisphere, it will be 2 pi r square. Take out common, 2 pi r common, h plus r. This is surface area square centimeters. They have given height h centimeters. Therefore, write the formula 2 pi r into r plus h square centimeters. Check for the answer. It is option D, 2 pi r into r plus h or h plus r, both are same. Square centimeters or centimeter square is same. Option D, 2 pi r into r plus h centimeter square is your answer. 31. The measure of central tendency that gives the middlemost value of the data. Central tendency, the middlemost value in a given data, what is that? Median. Check for the option. It is option C, median. 39th, in a class test, the total marks scored by all the students is 1875. And if its mean is 75, then the number of students in the class is, we are going to calculate here number of students. That means mean formula, mean x bar is equal to sum of the scores of the students, by number of the scores, or you can say number of the students. Number of the scores of students or number of the students I will write, because in your question we are going to calculate number of the students. Mean x bar given. What is mean value? Mean is 75. Sum of the scores is total marks 1875 by number of students. Then cross multiply. Number of students is equal to 1875 by 75. Cancel 5 ones are 5 5s are. Then again 5 3s are 15. 5 7s are 35. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s, 5 7s are 35. 5 5s are 25. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. That is total number of students. How many students are there here? 25 students. Check for the option. Option B, 25 students. 40. Last question. The formula used to find the mode of the grouped data with usual notations is. Mode formula, do you remember? Check for the option here. Let's see the first option. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F2 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. No need of going for other options. This is your mode formula. That is option A, mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay. If you want, you can observe other three options here. L minus L into you have. So the other three options are wrong and we go with option A. So with this, we are going to complete Kolar district model question paper. I am very thankful for the one who have prepared this. We are going to meet with another new model question paper. Until then, keep watching. Thank you all.